friends, over Labor Day weekend, my family and I were able to attend the annual Cleveland National Air Show. And even though it was a rainy weekend, I was able to experience some of the NASA SLS and Artemis 1 excitement firsthand. NASA has scrubbed the SLS Artemis 1 launch 2 times now, and even though we haven't gone to space yet, I have been sad that I missed out on all the in-person events, tours of the Kennedy Space Center, and the many get-togethers with fellow members of our awesome space community. However, at the Cleveland National Air Show, there was a booth from the NASA Glenn Research Center. Inside their mobile trailer, we got to see an actual moon rock collected by Apollo 17, along with seeing a really detailed model of NASA's SLS. So in some small way, I felt like I was part of all the celebrations surrounding the SLS and Artemis 1 launch. And they gave away NASA swag bags. So let's open mine up and see what we received. First, there's a really nice glossy paper telling us what NASA Glenn Research Center does. I was lucky enough to tour the facility a few years ago, along with my 2 sons in our Boy Scout troop. They do some really cool stuff there. Next, we have a really nice print of the Orion spacecraft orbiting the moon. I can't wait to see the video and pictures of the moon as they come in from the real mission. Sweet! We got a classic NASA Meatball logo sticker. These are always awesome, and there were a ton of kids running around the air show with these stickers on their shirts and hats. I may have snagged an extra sticker and was wearing one too. Next, we have this really cool NASA SLS bookmark. It doesn't make any vroom noises on its own, but we can pretend. Perfect for marking the page in your favorite book. And lastly, we have a really nice quality sticker sheet of the Artemis program. It includes an SLS sticker, the Orion spacecraft, both NASA logos, the meatball and the worm. It also has the Artemis logo, and a really cool one showing the Vehicle Assembly Building, or VAB, and the mobile launcher. Overall, this swag bag is pretty sweet, and I can see why the kids there, or the kids at heart, were really enjoying displaying their new stickers and pretending they were all astronauts. I personally can't wait to see this beast take off. If all goes well, with the on-pad repairs for the ongoing hydrogen leaks, and the range agrees to extend the certification on the flight termination batteries, then NASA's next launch attempt will take place on either September 23rd or September 27th, with backup dates in October. Go NASA and go SLS. Thank you for watching this video. In July, I decided to take the plunge and start this YouTube channel. Space has always been my passion, and I'd love if you could support me by subscribing to my new channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter as well.